You've heard of collagen, but no one told you this. Not the companies selling you the powders, not the beauty gurus on TV, and maybe not even your doctor. What if I told you the most powerful way to support your skin and joints after 60 isn't just about taking a collagen supplement? What if the very thing you're doing, with the best intentions, is like trying to build a house with only half the materials? It's a story I see all the time. Women in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, diligently scooping their collagen powder every morning, hoping for firmer skin and less achy joints, only to feel underwhelmed. Why? Because you've been sold the main ingredient, but you were never given the full recipe. And today, we're pulling back the curtain. I'm going to share the simple, science-backed adjustment that turns that daily scoop from a hopeful gesture into a powerful regenerative tool. This isn't a gimmick. This is the practical guide you've been waiting for. Section 1. The Great Collagen Myth. Why what you're doing isn't working as well as it could. First things first. If you're already taking collagen, you are on the right track. You've recognized a real biological shift, and you're doing something about it. That's fantastic. But there's a huge myth we need to bust right now. The idea that you just pour collagen in and your body sends it directly to your wrinkles and joints. Here's the part that might shock you. Your body doesn't work that way. It's a sophisticated factory, not a passive storage tank. When you drink that collagen, you're not just topping up your levels. You're delivering the raw materials, the specific building blocks like glycine and proline that your own cells need to build their own new collagen. Think of it this way. You order a truckload of the world's best bricks to repair a wall. The bricks are your collagen supplement. But what if the work crew shows up and has no mortar, no tools, no instructions? Those expensive bricks will just sit in a pile, their potential completely wasted. This is exactly what happens when you take collagen all by itself. We're giving our body the bricks, but we're forgetting the mortar and the tools. The real fix isn't some fancy, overpriced collagen. It's about giving our internal construction crew everything it needs to do its job. Section 2. The Science of Skin and Joints After 60. A quick refresher. Let's be clear. Collagen is the literal glue holding you together. It's the scaffolding for your skin, the cushion in your joints, the framework of your bones. It's what gives skin that firm, youthful bounce. But here's a shocking fact. Starting in our 20s, we lose about 1% of our collagen every year. Then menopause hits, and that decline goes into overdrive. In the first 5 years after menopause, a woman can lose up to 30% of her skin's collagen. After 60, that process is well underway. You see it in the mirror as sagging skin and deeper lines. You feel it in your knees and hips as stiffness and aches. This isn't a personal failure, it's just biology. But here's the good news. While you can't stop time, you can absolutely work with your body. You can support its natural repair systems in a powerful way, and it all starts with the complete fix.
Section 3. The Missing Fix Revealed, a 3-part protocol. So, what is this fix that so many people are missing? It's not one thing. It's a protocol. A simple 3-part system I've broken down that is easy to remember and even easier to do. To really get results from collagen, you need to combine Part 1, the right collagen, the foundation, Part 2, the essential activator, the real secret, Part 3, the protective shield, making it all last. When you do all 3, you're not just dumping bricks on the job site. You're supplying the bricks, mixing the mortar, and protecting the finished wall from the elements. This is the intelligent approach that gets the kind of results you can actually feel. Let's break it down. Section 4. Part 1. Choosing the right collagen, the foundation. This is your starting point. Everything else builds on this. Tip number 1. Insist on hydrolyzed collagen peptides. This might sound technical, but it's critical. Native collagen molecules are huge, and your body can't absorb them well. The hydrolyzing process breaks them down into small, usable pieces called peptides. It's like pre-digesting it, so your body can actually use it. Look for hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides on the label. This is the form used in the most promising studies. Tip number 2. Don't stress about the source, focus on the form. You'll see bovine or cow collagen and marine or fish collagen. Both are great. Bovine is rich in types 1 and 3 for skin and bones, while marine is mostly type 1 and might be absorbed slightly better. For what we're talking about today, skin and joints, a high-quality hydrolyzed version of either will do the job. The key word is hydrolyzed. Tip number 3, the right dose and a mindset of consistency. This doesn't work overnight. You're rebuilding your body's framework from the inside out. Studies that show real benefits use a daily dose between 2.5 and 15 grams. A great target for noticeable benefits is about 10 grams a day. But the real key? You have to take it every single day. Taking it here and there is like trying to fill a bathtub with a dripping faucet. It won't work. Commit to it for at least 3 months to give it a fair chance to work. Section 5, Part 2, the essential activator, the real secret. Okay, you've got your bricks, now for the mortar. This is the part that 99% of people miss, and it's the real secret to making this all work. Tip number 4, vitamin C is your collagen's best friend. If you remember one thing from this video, make it this. Your body literally cannot produce collagen without vitamin C. It's what's known as a cofactor. It helps weave those amino acids you get from your supplement into strong, stable collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, you can take all the collagen in the world and your body simply can't use it properly. This isn't a nice little tip. It's a biochemical fact. Tip number 5, food first, supplements second. Where should you get this vitamin C? From real food. Things like oranges, lemons, bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi, and berries are packed with it. A super simple trick is to squeeze a whole lemon into the water you mix your collagen in. You're combining the foundation and the activator in one go. If you know your diet is lacking, a simple 500 milligram vitamin C supplement is a good insurance policy. Don't forget the supporting actors, zinc and copper. While vitamin C is the star, your collagen factory also needs a little zinc and copper to run smoothly. You don't need a lot, and if you're eating a healthy diet with nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains, you're likely getting enough. It's just another piece of the puzzle, ensuring your body has everything it needs. Before I share the final and maybe most important part of this whole strategy, the protective shield that makes sure all your hard work doesn't go to waste, I want to ask a small favor. If you're having those aha moments and finding this helpful, please take a second to hit that like button. It tells YouTube that this is valuable information that more women over 60 deserve to see. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe and that little bell. I'm committed to bringing you more science-backed, senior-safe guides to help you feel amazing, and I don't want you to miss what's coming.
Section 6, Part 3, the protective shield. Making your results last. Okay, so you're taking the right collagen. You're activating it with vitamin C. You're rebuilding the wall. Now we have to protect it. It makes zero sense to invest in building new collagen just to let it get torn down again. This is where you take back control. Tip number 7. Sunscreen is your collagen's bodyguard. I can't say this strongly enough. UV radiation from the sun is collagen's #1 enemy. It literally activates enzymes in your skin that chew up your collagen. Using a broad-spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen every single day, even when it's cloudy, isn't about vanity. It's about protecting your investment and the health of your skin. It's your non-negotiable shield. Tip number 8. Fight collagen damage on your plate. The second biggest threat is sugar. When you have too much sugar in your blood, it attaches to proteins like collagen in a process called glycation. This makes your healthy, flexible collagen turn stiff and brittle. It's like pouring syrup on a soft sponge and letting it harden. The best way to fight this is with an anti-inflammatory diet. More vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats from things like avocados and olive oil
and less sugar and processed junk. You are literally defending your collagen with every healthy meal. Tip number 9. Protect your peace to protect your collagen. Chronic stress is a silent collagen killer. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out the hormone cortisol, which is known to break down collagen in your skin and bones. Managing stress isn't a luxury, it's a critical part of this protocol. This doesn't have to be complicated. A 10-minute walk, a few minutes of quiet, deep breathing, or listening to some music. Protecting your peace is part of the plan. Section 7. Putting it all together, a practical daily routine. So what does this look like in real life? Let's make it simple. Morning. Add 1 scoop, around 10 grams, of your hydrolyzed collagen peptides to a glass of water with the juice of 1 whole lemon. Do this first thing. As you're getting ready, put on your SPF 30 sunscreen, face, neck, and hands. In 2 minutes, you handled part 1, part 2, and part 3. Throughout the day, look for ways to add color to your plate. Berries in your yogurt, a big salad for lunch, a side of steamed greens with dinner. These are your activator top-ups. In the evening, before bed, take 5 minutes to de-stress. Read a chapter of a book, do some light stretching, whatever calms your mind. This is your cortisol management. See? It's not complicated. It's a series of small, smart choices that add up to something incredibly powerful. Section 8. Addressing your doubts. A frank conversation. Now, let's have a frank conversation, because I know some of you are thinking, is this just another expensive trend? Does it really work? Those are the right questions to ask. First, the science is promising, but it's still growing. Some studies show good results for skin hydration and joint comfort, but many are small, and sometimes they're funded by the companies that sell the supplements. This doesn't mean the results aren't real, but it's important to know. We still need more large-scale, independent research for a final verdict. Second, and this is critical, supplements are not regulated by the FDA like prescription drugs. Quality can be all over the place. That's why you have to choose a reputable brand. Ideally, one that uses third-party testing to prove what's on the label is actually in the bottle. And finally, let's manage our expectations. This is not a facelift in a jar. The goal isn't to look 30 again. The goal is to nourish your body, so your skin is healthier and more resilient, and your joints feel better so you can live your life with more comfort and confidence. The changes are supportive and gradual. By following this 3-part protocol, you're not buying into a magic pill. You're simply giving your investment the best possible chance to actually work. For too long, the conversation about getting older has been about everything we lose. I want to change that conversation. It's not about anti-aging. It's about intelligent aging. It's about being proactive. This missing fix is more than a supplement. It's a strategy. It's the understanding that you can actively partner with your body. By combining the right collagen, the essential activator, and the protective shield, you're giving your body the complete toolkit. You're empowering yourself to rebuild from the inside out. Your body has a powerful, natural ability to heal and regenerate. Your job is just to give it the right tools and materials. Your best years aren't behind you. You have the power to make the years ahead of you healthy, vibrant, and more radiant than you ever thought possible. Now, I want to hear from you. Your story matters. What's happened in your experience with collagen? What's one small change you're going to try this week? Let me know in the comments below. We're reading and replying to every single one, and your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. And finally, if you want more senior-focused health videos packed with real science and simple solutions that work, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for taking this time for your health today.